Fresh attacks reported at Sabungkhok Khunou under Lamlai Assembly constituency in Imphal East by Kuki militants last night. The incidents took place around 7 p.m. The Kuki militants opened fire about 7 rounds of bullets. The village volunteer also retaliated to them. No one was injured during the gunfight. Speaking to media persons, the villager named C.H. Maniha said attacks from Kuki militants was ceased for about 1 week. Therefore, villagers who have been left their house due to the repeated attacks by the Kuki militants were returned to their homes. However, due to yesterday's attack, villagers do not sleep at their homes. Instead, slept at safer places, fearing that Kuki might attack again. He further said after the central forces deployed at a brick field at Sabungkhok Khunou, attacks from Kuki militants have been increased. In the past, many houses have been damaged by Kuki militants' attack. Earlier, villagers went to nearby hill to fetch firewood. However, the central forces openly came there. Villagers are restricted to go there. If the Kuki militants attacked, the central forces did not retaliate. As such, villagers lost their trust to them, he alleged. The villagers are facing a lot of difficulties due to the prevailing situation. He drew the attention of the authority concerned to look into the matter and remove the army post from the brick field at the earliest.
Sing khara lokthok pa ngami aduna khoi cha ising thonga cha nei chekon da leiriba chek adu khoi lokthok pa khara satli adugi suba nomba khitang yaw ba khotpa marakta tawrakan da khoi lupa yangkem cha phanguduna khoi gi imung gi achinba sinaraga dumaina khoi hingmani adu hojikti jar leihibadigi jar sina hojikti noi amata sangak pa yaroi singju yan basu sangak pa yaroi chekon da sangak pa yaroi noi khongjaina nongmaina kapakani haina akhoi je pungthing thingjan bire Akoi ji kamaina hingo haibano akoi ji sada dana dum siro haibra sigi posini hujik layo posingi akoi ni jar thaja batam duji kari dano akoi di yar de moi yam tunal thok bigro akoi na moina akoi bo hat ke so halasunu akoi na moina halake na halak po bada akoi na ngamra akoi su torani aduga yaraga na moina santi oina leina se harasu leirani akoi kaim ta kai de aduga jar na sida se kon da lesan bse masidagi akoi gi Sabungkhok Khunou hariba jaga sigi akoi gi Lair bangak tu suoi ba masina singyen khar sanjaraga chekon jira changjalaga cheki thabak chek hapdo opjin khar tawjaraga tawjaram ba adugi kitang paisa khar phangjaram ba chi sing khar lokthoga si sa ising thongna ba punamak amat yadre akoi hoji amoina sang kanona pum ting re akoi hingna ba lambi ji moina pungkak kak thakre aduna akoi mafam jida leiriba chekon da leiriba jiar je masima yam thuna lokthok pinana ba damakta sarkar da aina masima yam phajana haijari aduna Masi sarkar gi mapi opa oi bajina masi yam thuna lokthok piyo masi yam thuna lokthok tragadi akoi si ngoi lei salagadi sa da dana sibaju siba kari dog si ka habado akoi ju wakhan je siraga sire hinga hina akoi ahen ma thawk tor ku su yai